All right, so welcome back to our seminar series on the importance of sleep, and I just wanted to cover some fascinating stuff about sleep. All right, so this sleep has been around since we've been around, okay? It's an integral part of our lives. And I think understanding some of this fascinating stuff is gonna give you a respect for sleep, okay? So sleep is the thing that we spend the most time in our lives doing compared to other activities, all right? Or I should say, attempting to sleep. We spend 36% of our activities over a lifetime trying to sleep, all right? We spend approximately, if we live to be 80 years old, we're gonna spend approximately 60 years awake and 20 years asleep. That's crazy that we spend 20 years of our lifetime sleeping. We also know when someone else is sleeping. It's obvious to us. In fact, it's kind of crazy that we don't think someone's dead when they're asleep on the couch, right? So we know when someone's sleeping. We also know when we have slept. When you wake up, you know that you just slept, whether it's for a short period of time or a long period of time. During sleep, all of your senses still operate, all right? You can still see, you can still hear, your body still touches, you have all these different sensory inputs like your smell, your mouth still tastes. We have very, very vivid dreaming, okay? I think that's fascinating. Also during sleep, time seems to completely distort, and at the same time, in the background, your brain is maintaining an unbelievable time accuracy. All right, and then something else that's really fascinating is you can self-alarm. You can tell yourself to wake up at a certain time, and if you have relatively decent sleep patterns and you get good rest, typically most of us are going to wake up before that alarm or right around that alarm without any alarm needed. And then when you hit the snooze button, and you go back to sleep, time distorts again. Like it feels like you've been asleep for a lifetime, even though you may have only been asleep for a couple of minutes, right? So I just think that's useful, fascinating stuff. It will give you a respect for sleep. And we are going to be getting into the content here soon. Make sure that you join the discussion over at community.superhumantransformation.com, and we will see you guys in the next video.